Hey guys, a few weeks ago I asked what sort of Halloween themed tutorials you'd like to see, and several of you were interested in a pumpkin tutorial. In the end, I decided to create a pumpkin that can be a cute addition to your fall or Halloween themed home decor. It's a beginner pattern that can be whipped up quite easily, a great one to tackle while watching TV. Alright, let's get started. You'll need 166 feet of 3mm string to create your pumpkin. I've used natural and pumpkin spice. You'll also need 4 feet of recycled string in the color hot chocolate. Cut 41 4-foot pieces of 3mm pumpkin spice string. Cut a 4-foot piece of 3mm hot chocolate string. Set those aside for now. Cut a 2-foot piece of 3mm pumpkin spice string. Fold the 2-foot piece in half and tie an overhand knot to create a loop as I've done here. Attach all but one of the 4-foot pieces of string, so 40 total, to the loop using a cowhitch knot. We will tie 12 rounds of square knots. Round 1. Tie 20 square knots. Tie 10 square knots across your work and then flip your work around to tie another 10 square knots. Round 2. Tie 20 alternating square knots. After tying this round, your work will be connected in a circle. Continue tying rounds of 20 alternating square knots until you've tied 12 rounds total. Untie the overhand knot and pull the string tight and tie a reef knot. This will be the bottom of your pumpkin. Cut off the excess cords at the top of your work so there's about 5 inches of cord left hanging after your square knots. Fill the inside of your pumpkin with whatever you have on hand. I have a scrap piece of fabric I'll be using. Flip your pumpkin over and add the last 4-foot piece of string to your pumpkin as if you were adding a piece of ribbon to a present. I'll take you through the process, but here's what it should look like once finished. Flip your pumpkin over and tie a reef knot at the top. We are going to wrap the string around the pumpkin 2 more times. Adjust the string so that it sits evenly on the sides. Tie 1 more reef knot to secure all the sections in place. There will now be 6 sections. For each section, tuck all except 4 cords in each section into the middle of the pumpkin. Grab all the cords and tie a gathering knot with a 3mm piece of string in the color hot chocolate that you cut earlier. Wrap the cord 15 times. Adjust the cords as necessary. Cut the ends. Thanks so much for watching.